Uh, Last time we did it till os.path.realpath, and we already covered that topic. It's not path.realpath. This is done. So this is our next point. Fix the bug where a global declaration in an except block is rejected when the global is used in the else block. Contributed by Eric Catriel and GH111123. Yeah, so I already copied this and pasted it into Perplexity AI, and I asked Perplexity to explain this with correct code and old code, which gave error. So Perplexity, this is the answer of Perplexity, and let's see what we learned from this. Sure, I'd be happy to explain this bug fix with some code examples. In Python, when you declare a variable as a global inside a function, it means that the variable belongs to the global scope and can be accessed and modified from within the function. However, if you declare a variable as a global inside an except block and then try to use it in an else block, the Python interpreter will raise a name error because it thinks that the variable is not defined. Here's an example of the old code that will raise a name error due to this bug. So instead of copying the code, let me just type the code. Alright, so x is equal to 0. Alright, define try. Alright, so there is a colon over here. And then try. X is equal to 1. Exception. Alright, global x else print x. Alright, and test. Alright, so this is the code, but it's giving me so many these errors. I don't know why. At least one except finally. I think there's something wrong with the indentation. There's something definitely wrong with the indentation. Alright, so I don't know how to fix the indentation, so I'm just gonna copy the code and paste it over here. So yeah, that's gonna fix the indentation. Alright, so if we try to run this code, what's gonna happen is it's giving me an error, global x. Since syntax error name x is assigned to before global declaration. So yeah, it is giving you a syntax error. I declared global x variable. Alright, so I declared x as a global, and then I tried to use the global variable in the else block, and it's giving me the error. In this example, the name error is raised because the variable x is not defined in the else block. The global declaration inside the except block does not carry over to the else block. So this declaration does not carry over to the else block. To fix this bug, you can move the global declaration outside of the except block so that it applies to the entire function. Alright, so global x. So we need to make some few changes to the code. Let me just make the changes. So over here we just have to type pass, and then the def test. All right. So what do we have out over here? We're supposed to add global x over here. I think global x. All right. So we declared x as global. Outside of what? So let me just go back a little bit. So right now over here we had global x and the except block, and then later on we just typed pass over here, and then we wrote down global x over here. So that's supposed to fix the issue. In this fixed code, the global declaration is moved outside of the except block. Yes, it is moved outside of the except block. It's in the test. Outside of the except block so that it applies to the entire function. This ensures that the variable x is defined in the else block and the code runs without raising a name error. Alright, so if we try to run the code and you see there's no errors, it runs. If I do it again, it's running without any errors. So I learned a lot, and I hope the viewers of this video also learned a lot. So I'll be seeing you in another video, and that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know down in the comments. Did you enjoy learning? Did you enjoy researching about Python? And there's a lot more content, and hopefully it's going to be fun. And I hope you all learn. And I hope you have a very good day. And I hope the best things for all the viewers. To all the viewers watching the video, I hope you have a very good day. I hope you have all the best things in life. And I hope you have all the good luck. And I hope you have a very good health and a very good day. Thank you very much.